OnePlus Open 2 is coming in the first quarter of 2025, and it's ready to take on Samsung's foldables. A feather-light design, Hasselblad camera upgrades, and game-changing specs. This could be the foldable to beat. Stick with GadInsider to uncover the hottest rumors. You won't want to miss this. What's good, GadInsider crew? The OnePlus Open 2 is dropping soon, and the buzz is real. Slated for a Q1 2025 launch, this foldable is shaping up to be a Samsung killer with a lighter build and serious camera cred. We've scoured the leaks to bring you the latest on what could be OnePlus's biggest hit yet. Let's dive in. First up, the OnePlus Open 2 is going ultra-light. The original OnePlus Open was already a fan favorite for its slim profile, but leaks suggest the Open 2 will be even lighter and thinner. Think Galaxy Z Fold 6 vibes, but with OnePlus's signature polish. Rumors point to a refined hinge mechanism, making it smoother to fold and unfold while shaving off grams. This could make it one of the most portable book-style foldables ever, perfect for your pocket or bag. The cameras are where things get spicy. The OnePlus Open 2 is expected to level up its Hasselblad partnership. Leaks hint at a triple lens setup with a 50MP main sensor, an upgraded ultra-wide, and a periscope telephoto for better zoom. Think 3x or even 5x optical. Hasselblad's color tuning could make photos pop like never before, rivaling the Galaxy Z Fold 6's shooter. Selfie cams on both the cover and inner displays are also rumored to get a resolution bump, perfect for video calls and vlogging. Under the hood, expect the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, Qualcomm's latest beast, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. That's flagship power for multitasking across the Open 2's dual displays. Speaking of screens, the 7.8-inch inner AMO LED is rumored to stay, with a 120Hz refresh rate and brighter HDR. The 6.3-inch cover display might get slimmer bezels, making it feel more like a standard phone when folded. Oh, and better crease control? Leaks say OnePlus is tweaking the foldable panels to make that crease nearly invisible. Battery life: the Open 2 could pack a 4,800 mAh cell with 800-watt fast charging, keeping you juiced up all day. Software-wise, Oxygen OS 15 is expected to bring a polished foldable experience with smoother app transitions and multitasking features like split screen and floating windows. Rumors also suggest tighter integration with OnePlus's ecosystem, like seamless pairing with the OnePlus Watch or Buds. Why is this a big deal? The OnePlus Open 2 is gunning for Samsung's crown with a lighter design, pro-grade cameras, and flagship power. If the rumors hold, it could be the foldable to beat in 2025, especially for those skipping the Galaxy Z Fold 7. But can OnePlus nail durability and keep the price competitive? We're counting down to the first quarter to find out. If you're stoked for the OnePlus Open 2, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more foldable news and tech leaks.